Hey guys, real quick question. It's MegaMilez here. I've been wanting to make some recipe videos to share with you and hopefully have you guys try them for yourselves because they're freaking delicious. But I want you guys to play a direct role in which videos you want me, which dishes you want me to make videos of, because it requires a decent amount of effort, me being like a one-person show over here, carrying my stuff down, setting it up in the kitchen, moving it while I'm cooking, all that stuff. So I want to make sure that you guys are excited about whatever dish we do. So I've got two options that I think are both fantastic. One is a chicken tonkatsu, and I know traditionally it's made with pork. However, I freaking just love the chicken version that I've created. So that's delicious. It's served with some steamed rice. Super simple, super delicious, and I think if you guys tried that, it'd be it'd blow your socks off. So also, not any less amazing is my key lime pie. And my pie, I'm not a baker, but it's so good. And the reason why it's so good is every key lime pie, it for me anyway, the struggle is the tartness of it, and I found a way to chill that out, and it's you can eat as many bites as you want, because if you get the store-bought ones, or generally the majority of key lime pies, they just have so much tartness, and I hate that. So those are the two choices. You don't necessarily have to want to try either one, but whatever one you'd be most interested in watching us create. So let me know in the comments, and I hope to be able to get the video up in a week or so. But just keep in mind, I'm a one-person show, so this is gonna be our first video of that style. So the lighting, the angles, it might be a work in progress. So but the bottom line is, hopefully I'm able to share with you guys some cooking tips, and even more importantly, I want you guys to freaking try it yourselves, and I want to be tagged on your Instagram or whatever, your finished product. I think that'll be so cool to see. So do all that jazz, vote in the comments, let me know, and we'll figure it out which one we're doing together.